used, I've been bruised, I've been broken, and I'm backed up against a wall. But my will to survive can be stolen, and you can't make me fall. How pretending pundits try to ruin my good name. Parents and therapists tell me I'm not one to blame. Pretending like a man, but I can understand why they won't leave me alone. Best friends and enemies, I got it better on my own. I've been used, been abused, I've been bruised, I've been broken, and I'm backed up against a wall. But my will to survive can be stolen, and you can't make me fall. Stay home in my bed. The bones of this fucked up world to be jacked up in my head. Take a look around, there's no one to be back to when I just dead for my life. I guess I'll just keep on trying, someday I'll get it right. I've been used, been abused, I've been bruised, I've been broken, and I'm backed up against a wall. But my will to survive can be stolen, and you can't make me fall. You can't make me fall. Can't make me fall.
Good. I cursed it with my face.
I couldn't.
You can unplug it.